within and without the NHS, to pursue your passions. How do we do it?
Your NHS career is important. I've been flying business class around the world at the expense of Samsung, Microsoft, Dell. Your NHS career is actually a passport to some of these massive corporations who will want your opinion on things.
Do the thing you want to do the thing that you enjoy. And you might enjoy it in that moment, and it doesn't mean you're going to do it forever, but give it a go.
It's about having impact. It's the why. It's what promotes you, what do you want to leave behind. For me, now, in this part of my life, it's leaving a legacy, building impact on a global level.
Don't be afraid to change your direction. Somebody said every 5 to 7 years they're looking at how they can not get bored, look for new challenges. Don't be afraid to change your North Star.
You know, sometimes it's good to actually take stock, reflect on all of these things, how you're presenting out in the world and what you want to be known for and what you want to be engaged with for as well.
So self-employed, simple, everyone agree with that? Everyone happy to file in their own tax return? We've got income, we've got costs.
And I'm getting some doctors now who are disincorporating, if that's the right word, winding the companies up and just being sole traders.
Having the right ideas, having the right team to deliver on those ideas, and then having the funding and resources to execute on it.
You will need an accountant that you can trust, you will need a financial advisor that you can trust. Find them early and have them on your journey rather than finding them later on, because you will make far less mistakes.
Networking would be my number one thing. If people are unsure, do talk to people, meet people. There are national, international conferences, not just medical. There are other conferences like these where you can actually see other people's journey.
Make yourself that invaluable resource which makes people want to come to you before all others, and allow yourself to validate yourself to actually believe, do you know what? I probably am as good as people think I am.